this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. And allow me to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you, we appreciate you. You are the real deal. You are the reason we sit here every day to shoot this content. Today, I'm going to talk about the land of wood and water, the land we all love. And guys, I came to realize that the word Jamaica is actually a Ghanaian word that means wood and water. By the way, I didn't know that. I came to know the other day as I was looking at similarities between Ghana and Jamaica and Kenya. I compared the three countries, and there is a video going on that tells us the similarity between Kenya, Ghana and Jamaica. You can watch that video. It is actually the video we uploaded yesterday. Today, I am shooting a video on Jamaica is born for this. Let me tell you, I have studied a lot of Jamaica, and by the way, there is someone who promised me a book about Jamaica, and that person, I think he's in United Kingdom. So kindly, if you're the one who promised me a book, kindly send that book because I really want to know more about Jamaica. So I've been studying about Jamaica and I've come to realize there are so many things Jamaicans were born to do. And when they do those things, they are excellent. They do to their best. Like for example, have a look at these girls and you tell me whether these girls were not born for this. Take a look at it.
Sponsored by Porky's Paving, out in front, head Bermuda.
Saul Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaica.
British Virgin Islands caught well in lane number 6. The Trinbagonians are going well. Tony and Bedford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sunny Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51.8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Jamaica trying to run for a record. Jamaica out in
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica.
Trinidad and Tobago on the backstretch. Jamaica.
Bahamas fight back and regain second place.
Jamaica holding on to the
Real
lead.
battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the Carifta record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage.
Jamaica down straight away. Jamaica
Down the home stretch.
Final stage coming up. Jamaica.
Powell for Jamaica.
Jamaica running for record.
Battle on for silver, Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas. But the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53.4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who is on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead up leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
The Jamaican
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the
next
glory
seven
leg.
splits.
And glory it shall be.
250 meters remaining.
Campbell turns into the straightaway.
200 meters remaining.
Jamaica well clear.
Bahamas, all
Battle
the way.
really on for the silver medal. Abigail
50 meters
Campbell
remaining. Jamaica.
will lead the Jamaicans to gold
Jamaica.
in the 4x400.
Here comes Trinidad.
They close the girls' side of Carifta 50.
Guys, do you believe how these girls have performed in athletics? Jamaica is actually, people who are born to be learners. They are the fastest learners in the world. And they don't put, when you look at Jamaicans running, you can actually see clearly that they were born for that. There are so many things that we see unique and specifically made for Jamaicans. Like the short distance races, they have always excelled in the short distance races. They are sprinters. They can run so fast. You have taken a look at them and you cannot imagine these girls running at a supersonic speed. The other thing that I found that Jamaica were born for it is Jamaicans are born to fight for their rights. Jamaicans are born to fight for the rights of others. Jamaicans are born to resist any kind of oppression, any kind of bringing people down. They really reject it with all their minds, with all their soul. Remember the Maroon. They were the first people to reject the mistreatment of the slave masters. They refused to be treated unequally. And they resisted even though they were few. By the way, most of the people, if they were faced with the British army, with so much sophisticated weapons, they would have cowered down to go after them. But Jamaicans are born to fight. They are born to resist oppression. They are born to resist being pulled down. They are born to resist disrespect of any kind. And we see the Maroon people fighting and fighting and fighting until the British people gave up. We have seen Jamaica in other diaspora countries, Jamaicans in United States of America saying no to oppression. We have seen Jamaicans in Canada saying no to oppression. Jamaicans in United Kingdom saying no to oppression. Anywhere they go, Jamaicans will not tolerate any kind of oppression. Remember Olympic Parish. The first people to complain about the mistreatment, the poor conditions, the uncalled for. Can I call it mistreatment or mishandling? It was the Jamaican people. I remember Sherry Ann Fraser, when they were prevented from using one of the gates to go to where they were staying, the village. And they highlighted the poor conditions that were going on in Parish Olympics until other people joined in to complain about the oppression. Excuse me, guys. Sorry for that. Remember also, Jamaicans were the first people to highlight that apartheid should stop in South Africa. They were big and mighty countries, developed countries and developing countries. But none of those countries came forward to reject apartheid. None of those countries came forward to say no to oppression of the black people. But Jamaicans, through their artists, through their politicians, through their government, stood and actually provided funds to say no to apartheid. And they pushed and pushed until South Africa attained independence. Same case applies to Namibia and Zimbabwe. The Jamaicans were on the front line to say no to the oppression of these people. And they were ready even to sacrifice their funds to finance the freedom of these people. Jamaicans are born to fight for themselves and fight for others. We have seen also Jamaicans saying no to oppression to the people that come to their country. We saw Jamaicans demonstrating when the Chinese started using them, not paying them properly, not paying them on time, and they went to the roads and told them, yes, you cannot come to our country, you start projects, and then you oppress us. They refused and demonstrated until the problem was solved. We have seen Jamaicans in Canada when Jamaican Party was meant to be prohibited, and they were told not to call Jamaican Party because of the Canadian hamburger. But the Jamaicans stood their ground, though in a foreign country. Note that. Jamaicans will not be coward. They will not fear to talk out their minds, even though they're in a foreign country. So they stood their ground and they rejected and told the Canadian government, this is our culture, this is our tradition, and you cannot prohibit us from actually practicing our culture and our traditions. Until the Canadian government allowed them to prepare Jamaican Party and actually call it Jamaican Party. Jamaicans are not people to be oppressed. They are not people to keep quiet. When you come and pull them down and tread on them, they will say no to any kind of oppression. The other thing, Jamaicans are fashion gurus. They are fashionistas. What are they called, by the way? What word do we use? They are great fashion conscious. We have seen Jamaicans in United States of America attaining awards for being great great investors, great innovators when it comes to fashion. Jamaicans are very, very conscious of their fashion, and they love bright colors and colors that can brighten their day and brighten their mood. They were born to be fashionable. I remember Dee Mwango at one time in Kingston, Trenchtown actually, talking about the great clothes in Jamaican markets. And she was talking about when she goes to Jamaica, she does a lot of shopping because of the kind of clothes that are in the market. Jamaicans are fashionable. When it comes to fashion, you cannot win over Jamaicans. They will actually defeat you when it comes to fashion. What about dancing? Oh my God. Jamaicans are great dancers and they can dance anywhere. They were born to dance. On the side of the road, in the marketplace, in their houses, in the festivals that they hold every time, in the carnival, in everything they do. Jamaicans are great dancers and they were born to dance. They can dance and dance their bodies off. And they are known all over the world for having dancing. What about music? Jamaicans are great musicians. They were born to be musicians. I remember there is this guy who went to Jamaica. He's a YouTuber. And he just randomly thought of going on the streets of Jamaica and pick anyone at random and tell them to sing. And I want to tell you, they were great talents. And I'm going to put a video of that guy here. And the great talents that he found in Jamaica. Jamaica are talented when it comes to composing songs and even to dancing and singing. Have a look at this talent in Jamaica.
Lift my hands in total adoration unto you. You reign on the throne, for you are God and God alone. Because of you, my cloudy days are gone. I can sing to you this song. I just want to say that I love you more than anything. I lift my hands in total adoration unto you. You reign on the throne, for you are God and God alone. Because of you, my cloudy days are gone. I can sing to you this song. I just want to say that I love you more than anything.
Alright then, yo Tatados. Alright, rather stay to myself for mid-June. Fake friends up better than Tom Cruise. My mates gone through space and my task get erased, cause it gone chill with the damn moon. Me feel like me not safe again. Me feel like say me not fi give a chance to them. Cause my brain say fi do it but me heart different. If me give them me trust and them break it then. Me heart gone 12 feet, can't dig it out. Me have friends can't come from my mouth. Just no one, just God and my fam alone. So me change the circle, make a better zone. If you slip, you slide, I'ma hope you know. Now give second chances like before. Yeah, me I try to heal, but me ain't no cure. Get out of there from the start, I'm real for sure. Rather stay to myself and mid-June. Fake friends up better than Tom Cruise. My mates gone through space and my task get erased, cause it gone chill with the damn moon. Me feel like me not safe again. Me feel like say me not fi give a chance to them. Cause my brain say fi do it but me heart different. If me give them me trust and them break it them. The world a cold so me can't trust nobody. When a friend want see me in a cemetery, them break the trust when me give them many things. Me heart lungs cut up, dog, me everything. I real life in everything when me sing. Father God help me cause you are the king. Plant my feet firm, Lord, and spread my wings. You are my light, my strength, Lord, me everything. Rather stay to myself and mid-June. Fake friends up better than Tom Cruise. My mates gone through space and my task get erased, cause it gone chill with the damn moon. Me feel like me not safe again. Me feel like say me not fi give a chance to them. Cause my brain say fi do it but me heart different. If me give them me trust and them break it then. You know, Trev Dan and prefigure chop line. Me trust dog and rat over mankind. My sound insane, don't ask why. Oh, the world a cool so me ask Christ. Me wish that me coulda press rewind and go back in a life and erase them time, yeah. Cause me mess back life, them so-called friend, yeah, I just bad mind and me know that none of them word never real. Them I try get close, you try destroy my dream. But me and man in that walk on the street with a polo set and a slippers me beat. I me not care, call my phone, I me not care. If you never want call my phone, cause I'm me a meds life in a dark alone. In a place so me call the darkest zone. I me not keep friend, cause me not need them. Me want reach 3 mil and 3 bends. Me do it for me sis brother and my parents. From me alive, which boy can drape them? Bad mind for no, so me not rate them. 10k and I know for me start spend. By 16 me start drive markets. 1 mil minimum right for my last check. Rather stay to myself and mid-June. Fake friends up better than Tom Cruise. My mates gone through space and my task get erased, cause it gone chill with the damn moon. Me feel like me not safe again. Me feel like say me not fi give a chance to them. Cause my brain say fi do it but me.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you love me, believe in me. You're just a one of a kind girl. I'm dying just to make you see, yeah. Girl, to all you a wine, me know so you can touch. Me want you. Come sit down on it till he broke. She have a man. Oh my gosh, him just run out of luck. She start to smile when she see it, said the size up. She see the lifestyle, I never asked if man a crook. Off my style, them gal I get hooked. She said, baby boy, you the best. G-O-A-T, greatest of all times. You're the only one I see, even though she know me have a bag of girl that start me. Baby girl, you the best. G-O-A-T, you're the only one I see. Bad girl, are you that? I must you name Stark Ashley. She see the style, she love the pattern. All about the greens ever clean. My clocks on feet with the mozzarella cheese. No jokes, no one on my preach. It's said from the first time she see me, she know say me the dog hit her. She take my scissors and cut up the boots, yeah. To hold you something long, she'd have to ask me, I go with that. She ball out, says she can't go manage that. To who you did a go on bad. Me have to give you a couple slap, in your belly all night like food. Get you wet like you fresh out the pool. Baby girl, you me love when you deal with it. Full of drip and jewel. Yes, me bad, me know say me rude. Looking at me eyes, we see no lies. No fall in a love, in a that me rise. Modern day Bonnie and Clyde. But me love them can't put no price. She says she a go stick by me side until the end of time. Baby girl, you the best. G-O-A-T, greatest of all times. You're the only one I see, even though she know me have a bag of girl that stalk me. Baby girl, you the best. G-O-A-T, you're the only one I see. Bad girl, I'm you that. I must you name Stark Ashley. Yeah.
Can you see? These people are just picked at random and what to see. Can you see the creativity, the confidence, the voices, the everything is epic. Jamaicans were born to be singers. They were born to compose songs. They were born artists. They were born dancers. You cannot imagine that these people are picked at random. They were not prepared. They were not even told to first compose the song, and they sang their own composition and they sang them so well. Jamaicans are born to sing. What about cooking? I think these are things I've talked about them day and day about Jamaica. Jamaicans can cook and they take their time to cook and their food is delicious. Oh my God. Jamaicans are born to cook. All over TikTok, we find Jamaican food. Great food. Wonderful food. Their food has conquered all the nations of the world to be the best food in the world. By the way, there is a guy who told me that the first position of the best food in the world is not actually food, it's a snack. So overall, Jamaicans have the best food all over the world. They are great cooks. They are great adventurers when it comes to cooking. And today, we are talking about Jamaicans who are born for this. What about swimming, enjoying in the water, dancing, having festivals, being positive? Jamaicans are born for great things, and we cannot even exhaust the list. They are born to do great things. But for today, allow me to stop at this. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.